Hello guys, welcome to this video. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to install GTA 5 mod menu. And the mod menu is called Kiddion's mod menu. And now let's get into it. Okay, so here, this is the website where the owner of the mod menu posted. And I will put this link in the description below. So, first, when you come into this website, you will see a login interface over here. Somewhere, it should be over here. And all you need to do is just register, and you will see a part where it says register. Just click on it, register. It takes about 1 minute. And after that, confirm your emails and stuff, and just come back to this link, and you will see this. When you see this, first you go down to use it and click download the menu. Okay, after you click that, you will be sent to this page. And in this page, all you need to do is just click download. And oh, I forgot to mention, you need to disable your virus. Just go to virus and threat and manage setting, real-time section, turn it off. And you will see a black screen here, but don't worry because it's like for the admin. And after it is turned off, come back, download it. Don't worry, this is not a virus, and I can assure you that. Click download and save whatever you want, but I'm gonna click cancel because I already have it. And after you download it, you will see the mod menu, and here it's called modest menu dash v0.8.7, and just click extract here. Yeah, just click extract here. And I already have the file, so I'm just gonna click cancel. And yeah, now when you have the file, try to like drag it around like over the top or the bottom, because when you're in the game, you need to set your game into window or window borderless so you can see the mod menu. Okay, and I will be back after I open the game because it's gonna take a long time and you're not gonna wait for it. Oh, and I forgot to mention that this mod menu works with Epic Game version, Steam version, and the Rockstar version, so if you don't have to worry about it not working. Okay, so now when you're at this screen, a lot of YouTubers tell you to go to story mode and then turn on the mod and then go to online. And I don't know if it makes any difference between going straight to online, because if you go to story mode and go to online, it takes way longer than you normally would wait. So what I myself do personally, I would, when I'm at the screen, I would alt tab and then go to the mod folder, which is here, open it, and I'm just gonna turn it and run it as administrator. Now click yes, and a window will pop up. This mod is offered free of charge without warranty. So if you get banned, it's kind of your own personal thing. And yeah, this also says that this is for educational and evaluation process only. So yeah, now just click OK, and you will see it over here. And after that, just click online and wait. But the I'm gonna pause the video, and I will cut the video, and what you see will be when I'm into online, because it takes a long time, as you all know. Or maybe it's just my PC. Okay guys, so now I'm in the game, and I will test it out for you. So what everyone download this mod menu for is like for the casino rig, slot machine rig, and teleportation. So now I'm gonna teleport there for you. So I'm gonna set a waypoint there. In order to open the mod menu or close it, you need to click F5. And in order to move around, going down is number 2, select is number 5, um, up is number 8, left is 4, and right is 6. So I'm gonna select waypoint and click it. As you can see, I mean, you can also go to personal and teleport straight to casino, but I'm not gonna do that because it might mess me up. So yeah, so now let's go. Let's see. And I will be back when I'm in. Okay, so now I'm in, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So as you can see, now I have 50 million from the last time I did it, and I'm gonna do it again for you guys. Now go to the cashier. And for the acquired chip, my max is 50k, because I don't really know, but if you're a new player, I think it's 10k or 20k max for you at first, but after a while, it will go up, like up bit by bit. So the slot machine that you want to choose is either the Daddy of the Sun or the Diamond, or the Diamond, because these two are the one that give you the most like profit. I mean, not profit, it's like the most ratio, the chip to ratio of winning and stuff. And click enter, and now I'm gonna go. Now I'm gonna open the mod menu. You guys need to go to online service, casino services, and click rig slot machine. Click number 5, and now I'm gonna max bet, and I'm gonna enter. As you can see, And now they'll do it a few times until I get to until all the 50,000 chip that I just got win because because the best okay, this is good thing. Now it says the feature is not available. Now please come back later. All you need to do is walk away a bit, go to increase daily limit, click number 5, come back, and as you can see, you could do it again. And you could do this all over again. I mean, see, if I unchecked it, it's gonna say it's not available and stuff like that. But I'm not gonna do it again, and I'm gonna show you the like the lucky wheel prices. So now, let's say I want this vehicle, right? I'm gonna go move click number 6 to go right. Vehicle is all the way there to the right. Yep. Now as you can see, I'm gonna click vehicle price, and they ask me to choose which garage I want. So I'm gonna put office garage 2. Yep. See, just wait a bit, and I will unlock it. Now let's say I want $50,000. I just click on 5. And yeah, I got it. If I want chips, that also worked. I just need to go back. Or also the RP, clothing and stuff like that. See, that's a lot. And now I'm gonna show you the bunker setting. I need to. I will be back when I'm at the bunker. This office garage 2. This I want to call for the SC Classic that we just got. See, you can see they put you are too close to your current personal vehicle. But now, okay, whatever, we get back out, and I'm gonna use the mod menu to call for it. But I need to find it first. Here. As you can see now it says SC Classic, and I'm gonna click number 5. Boom. My old car disappeared, but don't worry, it disappeared, but it pretty much goes back to your garage. And now wait for a bit for the other car to show up, and there it is. And here it is. As you can see, it works, and it helps a lot. It helps a lot, like so much. It helps so much. And now let's see. Okay, let's try the repair vehicle. Hmm. Let me try to damage it. Okay, now let's try the repair vehicle. Oh crap. Oh. Okay, now click number 5. Boom, it repairs. Oh, also another one is giving weapon. Now, I'm gonna show you I don't have any rail guns. I mean, I don't think anyone could have it. There's no rail guns. Now, I'm gonna go to give weapon. I'm gonna find rail guns and give it to myself. Rail gun. You see, it says plus 2000 ammo, but don't worry. And here it is. Boom, see? Also the God mode, and again, since I got the wanted level, I'm gonna show you guys. Normally, if you're a high level player, you would call to Lester to remove your wanted level, but with this mod menu, you don't need to, and it's faster. Just as you can see, this is the police. Oh wait, I'm gonna show you guys the God mode first. Let the police shoot me, and as you can see, now it does not take any damage. And I can also uh put, and I can also use night vision. Boom, see now I'm not dying. But if I remove it, when the police shoot me, as you can see, my health is going down. So now let's go and reset the wanted level. Go to 0, pick number 5, and boom, no more wanted level. Now I'm gonna pick never wanted and kill him for you. See, I would great. I would kill him and there's no wanted level. Easy. I mean, with this mod menu, you can't troll or grief any other player. Even though you could you could teleport to them like here, go to players. I'm in a public session, but there's no one here. But yeah, normally if there is other, you could see their name here, and yeah, and you could also give them money drop. Also, I wanna give you I'm gonna tell you something, and that is, as you can see, near to drop money and set RP level, there's a exclamation mark sign next to it, and whenever you see that in this mod menu, which means it's a um, it's something that is kind of like dangerous and you might get banned for. I mean, there's a higher chance of you getting banned from this than other than other stuff that you do with this mod menu. And also there's online protection. As you know, there's other player that uses a paid menu, which can pretty much freeze you, teleport you to wherever they are, or they teleport to you, they remove your weapon or force kick to single player mode. And if you don't want to just enable this, enable vehicle kick, enable freeze, and enable whatever you don't want other player to play other mod users to do to you. And for vehicle spawn, yep, it's easy, just vehicle class, whatever you want. Now let's say I want um, let's say, okay, I want a motorcycle. Now I'm gonna put random one, build type. I'm gonna put sport, max everything, turbo tuning, blah blah blah. And in this part, as you can see, there's a spawn anonymous max, spawn fake personal max. And smart fixes, I don't know why mine doesn't work, but these four, as you can see, the one that doesn't have the max behind is normal. I mean, not normal, I mean, it's like stock. Yeah, but if you put Spot Max, just click number 5, and there it is. And this is pretty much a max upgrade. Yeah, and oh, and also Spot Fake Personal is, you know how when you call a personal vehicle and you see the car, I mean, like the car logo, the personal vehicle thing on the map, on the radar, and yeah, that's pretty much the same thing, but it's just that it's not yours, but it shows you it's yours with the car logo on the radar or map. And there's a lot more. There's in the world you can kill attacker, kill cop killer, kill enemies, and I tried it in missions, and it works great. It helps me a lot in missions also. And oh, one thing I need to mention is in mission, I don't know if it's only some, but the mission I did was with Lamar, and teleport doesn't work. So yeah, maybe it's just for Lamar. And also you can do recovery option like unlocks. That's like you want unlock all vehicle. You'll see. I'm gonna show. As you can see, I have a lot of it. I have pretty much all of it already. I don't put some because I don't need it. And yeah, that seems like it. Wait, I think this uh okay, so I'm gonna show you the weapon mods. So in weapons, you could max all ammo, like I have like see a lot of it is 999 and blah blah blah. So yeah, as you know, normally when okay, now let's see. Wait, let me show you wait, sorry guys, I need uh let's see advanced rifle. Like normally when you shoot, it's like there's recoils, there's spread, and a lot and other stuff. Blah blah blah. Okay, okay, sorry guys. Yeah, and so with this, I put no recoil and no spread. Now when I shoot, there's as you can see, there's still recoil, but it's pretty much non-existent. And also the explosive ammo. This helps a lot. This helps a lot in missions also. It saves me a lot of time by just shooting the car that chase after us. But the explosive ammo, it seems to work only a certain distance. Now let's see. I try to shoot the car over there. As you can see, it's not exploding. You see, as you can see, because it's too far. I think it works only a certain range, but I don't know what range it is. Okay, so yeah. Also, explosive fist works also. Now let's go to fist. Ooh, ouch! I'm gonna hit it. Boom. I mean, explosive fist is pretty much now. Let's boom. See, as you can see. Now, what else? Yeah, I think that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye, good luck, stay safe at home during quarantine.